So one of the things that we've grown to love on our cruises is at least a few days going to the thermal spa. It's just a nice way to relax and kind of like tone down a little bit, get into a quiet space, especially after having a day at the beach or being outside in the hot. It just helps you to relax and feel refreshed, and just something that we really enjoy. So included in your spa package, you get this hydrotherapy pool that you can use. There's aroma steam rooms. There's all these different types of heated loungers. There's saunas. A lot of them you can choose the scent that you want. So we ended up really liking these and started doing this a few years ago and kind of got hooked on it. They also have these showers right here, so you can have it a heated shower and you can go from heat to cold, which is really good for like circulation and things. And again, I highly recommend that if you've never tried this, spoil yourself, treat yourself, and at least get it for a few days of your cruise. They have packages where you can pay for a daily pass, or you can choose to do the unlimited, and I think with the unlimited you get it a little bit cheaper. It just depends on how many days you're going to go. If you're not going to take advantage of it, then maybe only purchase it for a few days. And one of the things that we learned is that if you go to the spa from the 5th floor or the 17th floor on the Carnival Celebration, it will take you directly into the thermal spa. So you don't have to check at the front end desk and give them your card and do all that stuff. You can just come straight through this back door and it'll take you right in to the spa. But keep in mind, this will only work if you already have a spa room or if you actually purchase the spa pass for the week. Otherwise, you will not be able to get into here. It's exclusive for those perks. Hope that this has been some valuable information for anyone going on a cruise or has been on a cruise and is always looking to learn something new. And be sure to check out some of my other videos so that it can maybe help you with your cruise planning for other tips. And I'd love to gain you as a new subscriber to the channel. So come along with us as we share glimpses into our life's journey with you, to help with ideas to plan your next adventure. If you found any of my videos or helpful tips useful, please do me a favor and like, share, and subscribe to the channel.